Welcome, Wrenching Rick's Garage. Today we're on our way over to check out a candidate donor for the Blacksheep truck. So let's see how it goes. And I even brought Peanutter with me. Remember, this is a possible candidate. Tommy's already here. He beat me here. Ooh. Hey, the front tires are junk. Oh, maybe not. Actually, that tires I think's good. Hey, maybe I got good tires on it. Yeah? This one's almost down to the wear marks.
Good for a spare. That's what you do there.
Hey, it's got a perfectly good door in it. There's only a couple holes. Not much junk. What about the bed? What do you think? Is doable or what?
Yeah.
See, this has those 2x4s in it, Tommy.
Right. Which we'll probably use anyways.
Yeah, they're still good. Even the tires, back tires, you can get some life out of them yet. See, this truck has 16-inch wheels, which is what I had wanted, because the Blacksheep truck has 16.5s. They're getting a little bit harder to get, so we're going to switch it, and here they are.
Yeah.
Ooh, that size of a better days. Damn. Yep, this is junk. How are we even going to get this thing off? This thing probably weighs 1,000 pounds.
Well, I was thinking we could probably get underneath, hook a battery to the pump, and let it down.
Yeah, I didn't think of that.
No.
I'm thinking try to hook it up from the front, but you need two batteries, number one. Number two, I really don't want it to catch on fire.
Right.
Not till we're done with it.
No.
What are you doing, Nutter? Huh? This has a chassis rear in it, I think. We'll have to measure it, but I know the deck is 96 the way it looks because it's sticking out that much farther. How many? It says, yep, 2 tanks, which is another thing I need. There's your pump assembly, your cylinders and stuff, and I'm sure they don't work, but boy, is that some heavy ass iron right there. Look at those arms.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this frame is shot, dude. Luckily, I don't need that. There's the rear fuel tank, well, side tank. Rear sway bar. Hey, these helpers are already being used. Or you think the springs are shot?
I think they sit right at them, usually.
Why is it that everything I buy doesn't have a seat? This one don't have a seat either. This door's seen better days. But 5-speed, 7.3, that should be a ZF. Oh, look, we even have a Sony stereo. I could use that for something. And we have extra switches on the dash. I don't know what that's for. Perfect, no headliner. Is what it is. F350, well, that's what it used to be. I don't know what it is now. Hey, Tommy, give me a hand with this. Did it latch all the way? Oh. Bumper's junk, too. Oh, look, an air-cooled diesel. Swell. 7.3 IDI air-cooled.
Yeah,
Apparently,
I've never seen one.
Me either. Apparently somebody needed parts more than we did. No, battery trays are good. That's not normal. Both of them even. I'll be. Looks like somebody was robbing parts off it. Filter housing's gone. That's what's left of it. Woo! Don't know if it runs or not. Maybe in the spring we'll tackle that, but the main thing is the bed is what would be needed. The fuel tank and the wheels. So I don't know. As long as they think it'll work.
Yeah, should work.
The thing probably weighs like 10,000 pounds. All we gotta do is see if it'll fit in the garage. Oh, it's got a rolly tarp. I don't know if it's any good. Even got lights on the side. Check that out. Got this thing in the front too, which I don't know if we're even going to leave that. And if we do, we got to narrow it down to 84 inches, so we're going to have to slit that down the middle too, so I don't know if we'll leave that or not. See if this cab is actually worth anything at all. Oh, wow. F350, I just noticed that. Air conditioning on this thing?
Huh.
I wonder if it works.
Don't look like it. Post cut.
Oh, swell. Oh. Yep, there's some weight reduction going on there. Did I see a gauge under there? Wow, a volt gauge. I'd never owned one of those. Wait to start. Yep, it's going to be waiting a while for that. Oh, yeah, it's junk. There's nothing left of that. Apparently it was almost Flintstone mobile. Even the door panels, there's not much any good. Steering wheel's good though. Look at that. No cracks in it or nothing. Dash is good. Wouldn't do me any good though, because that's the diesel tax, so it's really not going to do any good. However, they make that work because there's no electric. I don't know. Yep, and I said a radio. That should be the ZF5 speed, which is another plus. Oh, roof lights with a dented roof. Swell. So, I guess we'll figure this out and see if it's definitely worth a candidate. I wonder if this works. Nope.
Still moves.
Yeah, it still moves. This definitely moves. Tommy, these look like it's just pins with C-clips on them.
Yeah.
Is what holds it together.
Right.
So that's our adventures for the day. We're going to contemplate if this is worthwhile. Got a lot of stuff on fuel tanks, the wheels, the bed, the transmission. All of this could be donor stuff for the Blacksheep truck. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that like button down below. That does help a lot. Thank you. Have a good day.